What's up, guys? Today is the day y'all been waiting for. It's time for the install video of the universal bed bars. Let's get started. All right, to start off, you've got two towers. 1, 2. Next, you're gonna grab your inner crossbar. This is where the tower connects here. And grab your hardware. You'll grab 4 3/8 bolts, 8 3/8 washers, and 4 3/8 locking nylon nuts. Put all my hardware right there. I'm gonna grab my first tower here, and this is super easy, just slides in to this section here. Boom. So you'll do your 3/8 bolt with a washer. Get it in there. And then you'll do another washer and a locking nylon nut under there. I'm just gonna loosely put these in real quick. 3/8 bolt, washer, boom. Find the hole, washer, locking nylon nut on the other side. Before you tighten up these bolts, I would flip it over and go ahead and loosely fit the other side just to be sure everything's gonna go in right. Then we got both sides on there loosely. We'll go ahead and cinch these up now. I got my 7/32 Allen key on and my 15 mil. Didn't have standard again, so just what I'm using. So go ahead and torque these tight. Swap to the other side. But now that I got this side done, we'll go ahead and move on to the other side. So my tower and my other inner crossbar, put these on real quick. Slide them on. Just gonna speed through this though. All right, so now I've got both my towers put together here. This is your inner crossbar. This is what goes inside both of the outers and allows you to adjust. So we've got your clamp here, 5/16 bolts, locking washer, and a nut. So there's one of these per side. And we're gonna go ahead and thread this on the most outer part of your inner crossbar. So this is gonna go like this and clamp right in here. And then we'll run our bolt through here. Hopefully you can see that. Locking washer and your nut. All right, so you can kind of see now this is a placeholder for you. You got your 5/16 bolt, a washer, and then it comes up through to your clamp plate. And then you got your locking washer and a nut. So we'll go ahead and do this other one too. Boom. Locking washer and a nut. Sorry, it's very hard to film this. Cool, so we got that loosely on. And see now that slides through here. All right, your next step, so you've got these 4, you got 2 on each side, this area where the carriage bolts go in. What these carriage bolts allow you to do is it really just locks out your adjustment. So there's only a certain distance that carriage bolt allows the bed bar to go. So yeah, we'll go ahead and lock these in. Carriage bolt right here, carriage bolt right here, locking washer, a nut, locking washer, and a nut. Then we'll go this side now too. So now you got 4 carriage bolts in, your locking clamp inside the interior of your bed bars. Now we'll go ahead and turn this and do the other side. So now we're gonna go ahead and do this other side. Same thing, grab your clamp, 5/16 bolts, washers, and locking washers, and 2 nuts. So basically, this is going in this channel. This nut goes up through, and you get a locking washer, and then your nut on top of that. Just do finger tight on everything. This will allow us to adjust to whatever truck size you have. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get everything finger tight here. The clamp here, the 4 carriage bolts on each side, and then that allows for this kind of movement. Once we lock everything in, it's super stiff. So we'll go ahead and set it up for the truck. Now I'm gonna show you why I keep everything finger tight up until now. This is your clamp, which clamps the bed bar onto your bed rails. So we're gonna go ahead and install this side first, which then will allow me to pull it to this side and allow it be the right, you know what I'm saying. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and set it here. So we got the clamp, bolts are off. We're gonna go ahead and, you want the holes, the threaded holes on the bottom. So then this part clamps to your bed. So we'll go ahead and put this guy on. So yeah, this thing just snugs up, shove it up, and go ahead and tighten these. You want this tight, nice and snug. So keeping things loose like we have allows me to then move this, set it down for the perfect fit on my F-350. So now that everything's in the right spot, I'll go ahead and tighten everything, and that's how you